Let me highlight today's program. Compare Miss Elizabeth Tinening, that is me. Opening prayer, it will be led by Jacob Semin Thangzo. Welcome and keynote address, Tilet Minlian Haukip, President KSO Churchanpur. Welcome song will be presented by KSCS students. Presentation to teachers by Miss Gracie Lampuling Haukip. Minister, Reverend Zampi Simte, Christian Baptist Church, CBC. The minister will be regarding a blessing prayers. Speech will be from the special invitees. Speech number will be presented by the school anthem. Speech will be given by Pu Then Jose Haukip, KCS headmaster. Vote of thanks, T Zone Thanglal Haukip, and closing prayer, D Lun Minlal Haukip.
Gracious Lord, our Heavenly Father, we thank you for bringing us together here. Thank you, Lord, for giving us the opportunity to celebrate Teachers' Day. Lord, you have been with us since the beginning of this school. We thank you for leading us this far. As we begin our program, Lord, we ask your presence among us. Be with each and every one of us. Lead us and guide us throughout our program so that we could finish our program in the most meaningful way. We commit ourselves, our time, and everything into your mighty hand. In Jesus' most precious name we pray. Amen.
May I now call upon Mr. Tilet Millian Haukip, the president of KSO Churchampur.
Uh, Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and special invitees, including all the students, on the occasion of the first Teachers' Day of the KSO Community School, Peace Rang Tuibong. Firstly, I would like to extend a warm welcome to our distinguished guests, Pu Khai Pao, Chairman in Charge, Autonomous District Council Churchanpur, and Pu Say Minthang Lenthang, ADC Churchanpur, on behalf of Sri Darun Sir, Deputy Commissioner Churchanpur, Pu Saik Muhammad Sir, Superintendent of Police Churchanpur. I think he's on the way, and we should wait for him. And P. Esther Ma'am, Journal Education Officer Churchanpur, our school principal, who lead us with vision and wisdom, respected teachers, our guiding lights, my fellow students, the future leaders and change maker, and my esteemed colleague in the KSO who work tirelessly for our community school. Your presence here today is a testament to your commitment to education and the well-being of our community. To my fellow students, I am proud to represent each and every one of you today. Your enthusiasm, energy, and dedication to learning are what make our community school thrive. To my student body, colleagues, and all, I am grateful to you to work alongside such a talented and passionate team. Together we have achieved so much, and I look forward to our continued collaboration. Today we gather here to celebrate Teachers' Day, a day dedicated to the selfless individuals who have shaped our mind and hearts. I would like to take this opportunity to express my gratitude to our teachers who are not only educators but also mentors, guides, and friends. As we celebrate this day, let us not forget the humble beginnings of our school project. The Zero Drop campaign was born out of a vision to ensure that every child receives an education regardless of their background or circumstances. Through the goodwill of donors and tireless effort of our teachers, who are also goodwill volunteers, we have come a long way. I would like to thank each and every one of our teachers for their dedication, hard work, and unwavering commitment to our community school. Your selfless and passion for teaching have made a significant impact on our lives, and we are forever grateful. Once again, I welcome our guests and thank them for taking the time to join us in this special day. Let us continue to work together to create a better future for us. Thank you.
May I now call upon the KSCS student to present the welcome song. May I now call upon Ms. Gracie Haukip for presentation of gift to the teachers.
Let's wish our teachers Happy Teachers Day. Okay, everyone. 1, 2, 3. Yes. On this Teachers Day, I celebrate you all the teachers for being selfless, devoted, hardworking, and the wisest person in the classroom. And I'm grateful to be part of this very project, the Zero Dropout Project. Um, this is one of the uh, this is one of the project that is undertaken by the Cookie Students Organization Churachandpur, part of the one of the activity that is taken as part of the Zero Dropout project for Churachandpur. We will straightly move towards giving away the gift for the teachers. I request the guest, starting with Pu Khai uh, to please present this token of appreciation to the principal of Cookies Students Organization Community School. I would like to read out the first one, and the rest will be this, I think the rest will all follow. Memento. This memento is presented to Mr. Thin Kusei Haukip, Headmaster KSO Community School, Peace Ground, Tuibung. In recognition of his contribution to KSO Community School, Peace Ground, Tuibung, Churachandpur District, wherein he impart the best of education and humanitarian values to the unprivileged students. Your contribution and sacrifice shall always be cherished, and we hope that your hard work and dedication will bring about a better future for your students and the society as a whole. God bless you. Presented on the occasion of KSO Community School Teachers Day celebration 5th September 2024. Presented by and on behalf of KSO Churachandpur, President KSO Churachandpur T. Letmelin Haukip, dated Lamka, the 5th of September 2024. Next, I request Mr. Kam Khozam Gangte, Assistant Headmaster, KSO Community School, Peace Ground, Tuibung. Next, we have Mr. Thangminlal Haukip, Assistant Teacher, KCS. Next, we have Ms. Alfonsa Tinngaichong Haukip, Assistant Teacher. With that, I thank our special guest Pu Khai Pao to be seated, and I request Sir Seimin Thang, ADC Churachandpur, to give away the memento. For Ms. Veni Chong Tuboy, Assistant Teacher. Next, Ms. Dimngai Zem Gangte, Assistant Teacher. Next, we have Ms. Lucille Hainei Kim, Assistant Teacher, KCS. Ms. Hatnei Ning Haukip, Assistant Teacher. With that, I thank our ADC sir. I request him to be seated. And for the next, I request Madam Esther ZDO Churachandpur to give away the memento. I request Ms. Zeni Lamngaiching, Assistant Teacher, to come over. Ms. Tin Hoi Thim, Assistant Teacher. Mrs. Lamnei Thim Haulai. Mr. P. Lalsim Gangte, Caretaker. Last but not the least, Mrs. Lam Koting Haukip, Assistant Teacher. with that, I request all the teachers to please come here. We will have a photo session. Um, please stand behind the guests so that it will cover.
Before I utter a word of prayer for our teachers, I would like to read one scripture portion, which is taken from the book of 1 Corinthians chapter 15, verse 58. Therefore, my beloved brethren, be steadfast, unmovable, always abounding in the work of the Lord. For as much as you know that your labor in the Lord shall not be in vain. So, teachers, your labor for the students over here will not be in vain in the near future. All these students will be a great person for the nation, for the society. So your labor will not be in vain. So let us pray, look to the Lord in prayer. I'll pray in my own dialect. Lalpa ahong lung siat a happy na toblo hong happy a tuni chiang tan hong musa tu kabiyaw le kabelo kapatyaw nang ma na hi isen ama sa penin nako makipain kipa thu kahong turuhi ahi hi school hong kipat tung lain bang maumlo to akipan va oizate in sumle pai hota chang le lo le bang te gel holowin ahin khuwa teo le asiam na pil na teo nang ma paramu teo naw pang mo umay maiding te it na zalin bang malawa hong kipan hi zang zong le tuni hun chiang tan nang man na puiwa amao nalam kai hi chi te ka thei man na ko makipain kipa thu kang genu hi tan chin pha zala na asep naw gospel zala na asep naw na hoi ta me na lo pi ta me se ma hi wa na le khabu siang tho kamu dung zuin hi tabanga anasep naw amo me am lo ding hi chi te ka thei man zong na ko makipa thu kang genu hi mai lam huna zong alung kham ha sa niu azakian lung kian nangma akitu apito ampito pangzelin lan hi chiang tan apoi mole ki sampetu nangma na hinaw insunga ki etkol naw hitain lan naw pangte hetkol nawa akita sam sumle paite hitahen lan alo ding teo zong happy tu le lung sia tu nangman lam tuam tam peto zel ding na ko man pan pina ko nget sa hi ahi sumle paya mulo ni unzong lung ke meilawa kalswan ding in nangman alung simchet wa na tongin lan amo te thu pha pe zel ding in zong na ko man pan pi na ko ngen hi hi a thei na teo hen na teo naw pang hi za te ko ma peson a dunung ta che hi naw pang te million milal mi thu pi gamle na ma ding le society a ding a zat taw ngi thei na ding in amo te chu a siam do tu a pol do tu hi wai chi te ki gel do thei zel ding in zong alung kian ni wa za kian ni nang manum pia ki thu pia ma pui zel ding in na ko man pan pi na ko ngen hi hi hiang sem naw to ki sai in azang chiang in ami malmal hita hen lan ho chiang le akilam kai na bazong du thu sa machin zo lo huna ding wa hi chiang ho chiang tan thil atung chiang azong khale ka tek e siam tu athei ding in lam kai to zel ding in na ko man pan pi na ko ngen hi a mai lam hi chiang tan nang ma hi chiang tan na puina nang ma na mai lo ma pui to zelin lan alam ba ne ala layon zong nang man lampi di ko mu to zel ding in na ko man pan pi na ko ngen hi amai lamin khuateo nam kharung lan khia in thupa tam pi to sem to zel tong to zel ding nang man ma pui ta in chin hun nam pa dei talal pa jesu christ min na ko ma ka hung thu mo hi.
May I now call upon the special invitees, Pu Khai Pao, Chairman of ADCC.
Tuni hi ihodinga chapahodinga iojateo chunga ikipanaw thirbol the lupi pe ni bol pi ni ohin sikul tamta abolu yangomin yohon hiwa community school bol ho in hisan gaya first happy teachers day mangtheya kes hotel lunglut na nei jewin keso president pala team do chunga chepa thu se win district yo se di ho bol tabang bol the tamta umlayin so chan pulte yong keso ine chan ge to gun nei wa sapang yong ijat jat na namu hi kidang kasan zakhat to khat na kai khomu kan hi sa le pang tampin na movin athu ka na hen an la president palam kainan office sponsor ding hall na kana zawin council ten jaw CEO hin inspector pa hin kay kahin ilawa galjam chapang lekha simjo loading tamta ngai lut na abol jiwin council in jong aki ngai tu in no ha denga na din jo na deu le chapang ngai lut na oja ke volunteer ho kanulanga to ho no ding khutu na in council jong kabol thei sunu kana bolwin kabol banwin tu ni hin inspector pa la ke no ho progress ima wedding in kong lonin tunin cha te ho ke so cho chan pulin naung galjam na wa le khasim lo wa kum khat kum ni na mandiu da na ke so na bol hi thanum ta na na bol wa igal ne u hi no ho dinga pending lu hi la na le khasim naw chi jam pai na dinga to go nu hi nanu na pa ko ma jong ke pa thu se win lang no jong pon tho tan le kha na sim win lang gale ke chai jong la na class hiu hi manglo wa chi pai jam ding in ha tan pan na lam ti cha te ho ko ma ka sei no min lung lut tan na bol leo chun private school la continuous sa kai ho to na reng u ke bang tho de hin le kha them ta ke so sunga ho hiat oya pang hin private na akhil naw to ki khide loading hi ji chun chapang hon ha sim na simovin ki hon jong ojo ho no ho lo ala sam lo na ding in inspector pa hin CEO hin ke ka hin na satta in kabol the sun sunu tang lo wa kan bol pi din le tiong ka sei no me tu kumi kum chin china ki pan hi vin khovel wang January lai ke pat dingo chapang yong a hi thea le achung anoi dim ding na hol win lang mi ho va theding le progress pata chang theding in oja se le ke so a high school la but lam kai hon pandala win lang ta be mongin yo hi gali jam hi jong le chapang chom jo lo nu le patam ta umi ji win tunia school bol hi a hi thea le ganei ta a sim do ding in jong ke so ho kantil khono min ke bangin ke ho bangin jedio nun jong hoi lam khana apan na the di ka ging cha bol the yo si kai kho mo hitin chapang mang lo ding in igama chapang le khatip ding IS IRS MPS IPS tamta hiwala hi pathin gu nu mahin ipui to wala chang deu hin ipui to lo la mang dan de jin tuni happy teachers day in mannawa ga so dinga ikitil kho naw hi chan chu hi hen lang ke le ka team hon jong office pa na bol be theom jong le hingai tu na lang ti jong hi dala wa ka phon dom hi han lang inspector pa pet penin sum ka nei masat sanwa bench ka sim pham jong le kan ko wel din de ti ka se be no me hin hi chu inspector pa no le sam lo le ke hai mil de ya chu ke se jong le inspector pa ke team dan in lao tin hi chu a ko na tu naw yang para poi mo de hin tu ni hin office panin inspector pa in no ho de nga phachum phap khat an pu in api do le apon do ton committee aman aban jom le phante
I bring some items for this school. It is water filter, and this is a box of whiteboard duster. This is a football, volleyball. This is a pump. Only this much. Thank you.
he na sor pan ho la hen
May I now call upon Pu Sei Min Thang, DC to ADC.
A very good morning, everyone. At the outset, I would like to wish all the teachers of KSO Community School a very happy Teachers' Day. Before I begin my short speech, I would like also to give some gifts, just a token of love. It's nothing special. Kindly please, Headmaster Pan Hung Kilap Hung Lapio. Khut ki wa hung sam di chu nok ka sahian cha chu kyang last minute a chu ha khat kan po hin a let a neu chu le a thin lau chu ke the mo ten tu ni jin gun iti diu ham apat na penin honorable caretaker chairman pukhai pau haukip kazana kain pe na he pat na penin ani na in P. Esther Chinnai Kim, MES, Journal Education Officer, Churachandpur, Kazana Kahin Penehe. Adang Daya Sato Se, Bonovin, Kazana Kahin Pevin, KSO Lam Kai Ho, Chule, KSO Community School, Headmaster, teachers, Chule, Adang Dang, Hongki Khomozo Si, Chule, media friends. The bon Chavin, happy Teachers' Day, Kantinom Kirinahe. Igale, Alelam Hase, the Gaza Haserum Tahin, Hitabang, school run Kibolhi, Ahin La, Lelam Karachi Igelkin Ahile, very positive approach to any crisis. When we have any crisis, whether it is personal or community level, any crisis when it comes, we can take it in two ways. We can take it as an opportunity to grow, or we can take that as a crisis and go down in every stage of our life. So I think this crisis should give us an opportunity for all of us to grow maybe educationally, personally, as a community also. We can grow. Tikhatsu apat na pena kan se nom hintin. Chule ha sa taa hitabang KSO honan gono hi. Tu chun KSO President Buto jang ka kihawin na hile. Ha sat na hoang su pata ke cha na sajin. Council, district council lang ho pan na atatain pasarom taahin ikipapi diwahin chule adang dang hojang kang hi involve hung kiding angai cha na henge ipiti bachu abona kizo thai di ham but loopholes chule gap filling om na thai dinga chu hung ki pangsu pan hung kila so ke di he ti khat hi kan se do no me he chule hil adang dang school jong katwen ke so president pa to jong lai tuibong government high school visit ka bol hanin chule adang dang jong ki kang hung ki vedi hin lungtha sampo hitin. The main focus is not the building, not the but it's the students. Students, how do they benefit from very little or whatever we do, whatever the administration does. A student hochun benefit ipiti bolvam ti chu last indicator hung hidi hin. Chu main focus will be on the students. Chule tu ni Teachers' Day hi to kito a teacher ho kan pacha to goma kan khat I may not be qualified to exalt the teachers, but I would like to encourage them. Take it as a mission more than a lot of violence na tasi niung may hin. Take it as a personal mission. If you have reward, salary, kiti ho abang let na de banganan mulo diwahin. But hichi gal that achu na to violate akhat thao hung samding and na thao hung se the mai the hi je chun kindly teachers mission more in la win lang hichi pathin na to hi ti changeng la jing win lang 90% of the students are IDPs, I'm told. 90% of IDPs abang le ain kuten. A fee chan ge pi di jong na hong ha sa diu na lain. Ha jong ha sa panji ve kiti again. Che achu challenging ma di hin. Teachers hon ta se lo be diu he. Chule lam kai hon jang. Lung ha sam hi vin lang. Ki thona thei pan thei awang chu ki tau tho pe diu he. Panip to la pe diu he. E ho nop la daum pon hela chapang ho hin khoding hi vet a hele ata in. Ipiung ti diu hinam chule idei tabang wa khununga lampi khum building chule the future of the society hivin choloi sim lo wa hel a hela chun generation khat himang thei ding hin chi chun ipirong le any step whatever required government ta non government ta ki thuwa I bol diu chu poi mong he ti hi tunin bon chaken ha so ke utin chule chapang ho ko ma ka sai nom na boy ngai vo all the students ta se lo be diu chong ta se lo be diu ke jong nang ho tabang kan hi chong phat khana class 1 2 3 ka semlaya maths ka ha sam walja maths teacher pan ka khut le khut ki ka hi pencil he la ta hen bol jui na kana sa jui ai khat ka chinom jui lo school ai wanga ama hi ta na bol ji a ka ki ham bol le class 6 7 8 kan siwa pra maths a full mark kamu pan jui ta chu ong ja chu ki ham bolding metric exam ha jong thado ku ki telowa highest marks to maths an he kirin na ja chu ki ham bol po di ong nau te hon he deu khat chu tha se loading o zo ni phoi hele mo tha se loading o ti za loading ki ham bol phat ding tua bihan na het na ho hi na chi na wan ki pu theo chu ine I go khu I chi na ki pu thei lo but I het na pa hi na I zil do pa I het na pa khunung le doctor engineer nong hiu pha le na thep na pau chu na chi na US a chiong chu na ki pu diu hoi langa chiu na ki pu diu chun het so ke diu he chu le khut thep hi jong la kho lo na skills you have to learn how to build skills okay weaving hi jong la kho lo machine sim them na hi jong la kho lo thep na ki te po hi ha dal diu he het na bo se hello na het na chu thep nan jong a zui nga ye tua hi no zo hi vetau anywhere they go they carry with them the knowledge they can teach anywhere that is called knowledge nobody can steal that from you nobody can steal destroy that from you I het na pa I thep na pa chu I mun zo sia ko ma chang la pi thei lo na I chi pa chu na ki thim chu diu he na mo sim ding hi lo I sim pa chu apply boarding chi he I ki thim chu so ke diu chapang ho kan chule teacher hon jang na chi pa ha focus hote rote learning hi lo ding in na let them we learn as well as try to apply in their lives I thep ba I het na khat chu ko man la pi thei lo ti khat jang chu tunin heute kan ti hin ka se so hewen chom cha ka ti hin sei di beng ka nei ta pon ta bang phat nei pi je vin ta ka ke pa in this is ahung nomin a hen la khulanga meeting kho ta nei jin ahung thopon ke langin ka chi jing in ta chu in so la hin district administration in jong ka zo chan ba pan kan la diu he ti chu kan se do nom he ke pa
Tu hina bana dingin PS chair ZDO ama phat an apute.
First of all, I would like to give my respect to Sir Pu Khai Pau Hau Kip, Chairman ADCC, Sir Saimin Thang, ADC Chochanpur, and whoever is seated here on the dais. And today I'm very glad. It is an immense pleasure for me to be with you all here on this occasion of Teachers' Day, to celebrate Teachers' Day in this KSO Community Hall. In a way, I feel that ipiti say deha thasit umzong kasayan na kagyal le hibang igamboy zawa hi chapang ko he phanai be se lo neu cha hi Hitahi na nasu homuwa na boy piuwa keso community ko keso lang hile ko teachers hoile. Hita na boy piu ka gele. Ki pa zong omin thasi zong kasan na. Ai wanga pathin hi phain. E ho adingin chan ge hin. Imazau si e ngai tu piuvin. E tu ni chana hi. Boy na lawa hitahi panila theu ka ki pain. And I would like to I have really appreciated all the teachers and all the stakeholders who have really put the effort and the time to bring up this school for the sake of the student community. And on this occasion, tuni teachers de ilobohi azi in head over. Can you follow me? Nihat teva? Yes. I oza piho, I oza puho, I pacha niu. Hituna? Yes. I'll be telling you a brief, in brief, how Teachers' Day was celebrated. How Teachers' Day celebration started. Teachers' Day celebration started to mark the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. He was the first vice president and the second president of India. And he was born on 5th September 1888. He was a great philosopher, a scholar, and a renowned teacher. So, in the year 1962, when he became the president of India, some students approached him, went to him and asked to celebrate his birthday. So on that occasion, at this juncture, he said that he will dedicate his birthday for the day of the teachers. So since that time, this Teachers' Day was observed all over India on the 5th of September every year. So with this, as we celebrate this Teachers' Day, I would like to encourage all the teachers, teaching and non-teaching staff from this school to have a vision, the aims and objectives on why we are setting up, why do we establish and manage this school. Because as a teacher, you are an idol for the students. They look up to you, and then they imitate whatever they can from the teachers. So the duty and responsibility of a teacher is very great. And in teaching, these days teaching should be a holistic approach. I would like to keep this one in mind for all the teachers. You have to let a child develop mentally, physically, emotionally, intellectually, socially, and so on and so forth. So in order to mold these students, we need so much effort, dedication, sincerity, and we should be willing to take the pain. And even if we have to struggle, we have to be able, we need the effort in order to bear all these pain and struggles that we might come across in future. I know all of you are doing well in your teaching job, but sometimes you may be disheartened, you may feel down, because as this is a voluntary work, as I've heard, you may not be able to get whatever needs and requirements that you will be expecting from the organizing committee. But please keep in mind that, as Sarah Mintang has told us, it's a voluntary work, and you have to take it as a mission type. Otherwise, you will be having, sometimes a day will come when you will be losing hope, when you'll feel so tired, and then you won't feel like continuing your job anymore. But please, I would like to encourage you that you should not be disheartened. Ita hi piha lunggel hi mihi zi chun ide ingai cha ja tamin na le si chung hi ai wanga hi igambuyo to ipito ivet lehin na ho jong hin kahun encourage no mu chi le ha sa chu tho hin na izong le chi ho chu na ho hin lunglin ta a kami ka sa ding ka gam ka nam ding a pan kala lo le iti pha le kala dham ti chu lunggel in nei win lang a koi ko hita jong le jun teacher ho zo si kahun encourage khon bol no men ha chu ha tho in office lang a jong na to hi ha in tu lai hi til pe ham tam tao min na o school lang no hi tho in tin til hin ha sat diu jong ka he in hi jong le ki lang pat kan se no mi hi le lunglin ta in na tong win chapong ho jong hi background chum ma pa hung khom na bai jong bai lo di hin ka vet jong la ka he jengin chi chu hin ye jong la na ho teacher ho in hoi de na hun tong win lang lunglin ta in hung ki tho khom win lang ki to ta hung tho khom win lang any institute organization na in to khom pha le hin office lang jong ha sa tho win na background chum ngen iki broad up dan chum ngen longyal chum ngen hung khom chu management chu ha dan chu bai lo he le hin khat ve ni khat ve lawang ki jong hi office lang thil jong le hin ilung neu ni jong atam jing na cooperation e pi lo pha le inuya hon na ki chat thei ta lo chu chu ho to bang jong the hi in za chu headmaster pa hi le koi le chun jong lunglien ta in alam ka ki so lang hoi jong hi jong le chun lunglien ta hong pang wen lang ke tu ta le thanom ta in I chapang ho I cha te nau te ho hi I ti I ho kha awa amo hoi mi khat isu diu ham ti I gel zo diu ka den na tua hi pite sei de ha nu le pa jong hi hong the le bon zo de omin hi jong le la hong the ta hi ven na ho hi en tua hi de hi le chapang ho hi ne di thu ilau hi boi ka hi ki ho jong pan the chan da hi pan kan la pi diu jong ka gelo ven na poimo na won ha san no ipi hom jong le lung thui lo wet hon het sa ven lang ki hon ipi ka bol the ham ki office lang apat ti hong hi ka hon pan pi the dan na ka hon pan pi go de hi in pa la chapang ho ne het theu chu na ka thu se ho chu ne het do ba thil khat hun seng ka te o na ho hi le kha sim chapang hi ven thuman na hi apoi mo yen na ne het do ba yes or no okay obedience na chi apoya poimo hi in nu la pa thuman ngai oza pu ho thuman ngai ichunga lien ho thuman ngai cho ne no ba okay so pa le you have to study very hard work poimo na le khana sim jin awan na thun pa le chu ho no poimo in le ha hoi tan sim ven lang nu le pa thumang ven lang o zo ho e sanga lien zo thuang manong ven lang che zo pa le school hoi ta kai ding ni khat ni le million milal mi thupin hong so then ding wa lai hoi le ha hoi ta na sim diu gun chu tan hong pan diu ti ka hun dei sa in twang hi na ho cha ka na hong ji wai ki ha di ta he program zo sang ka chi zo lo gel kho zong leng kal ka sun zo lo hin hi zong la ka gel le mo ka sakit ka hong lo we zong chu ka gel kho kin o atam zo hi display student a hi ti kan gel to in pe ham ngai lu na to gel kho na to ka hong kal so nen na office zong to man lo wa direct ga he ta hi in lang ina pat hi ka hong hi in za chu ipp hi zong le pan khom the dan nan pang khom go he tin ho ki ho apat le na ho chapang ho le teacher ho le teaching to nan teaching staff ho zong ki to ta le lung khat te na hun tong khom ven ti ka hun de sa in chu ka hun vai tha no me he ai le ki ho office apat thil neu cha pe nom ka neu ven Kaki pa eh.
In tu hinabanin special number school anthem. Amho phalan na piute.
Paumin to a school and team sa uchu ke so motto unite learn serve tito kitu akasi mo hin tu ni khoin gerpa lowi helin teachers day mang thevin ka teachers ho ka vele kalung si thema ma jingin ke o chomang lo dinga kanu mo weitan aji chu aki borda nai teachers day ke man le chapong ho ko ma sum ki dong ji ya teacher hoi give a pi ji wa program ki bol ji hin awanga hi amodi mun ki velle sumi to theding de muna ki gelo ja hi ei manda taute give zo macha ki simda taute thai kanu mole zani hi ke so president pan in fanwa I mandi we ke khong ki pai de ke so te khong ki pai de we tiwa zani ma chu program ki simle chapang hi ye to bi hi baro a ki khan ji win atam zo hi information ki pithei talo hung lo wei than ya chu mi hi khong hlom khaw win enroll ki bor mo chu 280 tabang hi student kan ai win I have seen a kailo yung chum jong le information na geji ayong chu mi ja nam kanum kailo hintin tunin ke so ka to khom pi ho zo si chunga jong ke pathu ka sein chuta le ge sa hyung pan pi ho no chunga jong ke pathu ka sein tunin khwala nga hung to ho hi no ko mai thil pi ni piu win ki ti ei tapon ni na ki tho pi ho chu tunin acknowledge ka bol we thana ki ko hin na gel lo be ben thil pi cha cha nin pi ki winele na chung che wa ke pathu kan sein aki pat nahi minute khat tabang yong le nyau cha ga gi sei le ke so ten school ke boarding hi jan mo nga jong an ki mat phalo hin ai wang hin office a ke so office a hin nu la pa te za dam khat ni se tabang hung jewin ka cha te wai mission ka mu zo to po we school kai lo ringom taw we te le chai ke so lam kai loi le pai hoin khat le ni nan gel kho wa ai poi school boarding taw te ka tio iti ki pat dam ipiti dam ti zo kan ngai to wa min school of Hovia school of border la tu dungai ki pan hin kyon tu kum school ka boarding ho cha February la ka ki pan no hin cha chu pulo hello wa khong ki gut wa kan boarding ho hin ata bia chu ki patila chu thil no mai pon hilanga hi drugs board zo sikin na ta bangai um hin lai mun he sirin so nam si yin cha chu koi mi jana ho ki ko wai was ki bola ki chu thing na mun hi hung ki lom dom hin to a ki patila wang chu lut ngam jong hi lo nam si ji hin IDPS tham khan mo chun mai an ti ju in sungai kingleng lunga bang hoy ko ta zu wai wa sung ki bola hi ta zu all along ki panin NGO ijanam khana gonin jong ki topina ki mun alhang pi ne ho area local ho lekha ni ki pina mon Sunday school a whiteboard aman ho ai lo Sunday school ben so ta chu khatlani ta donate and ball wa sang li sang sang ni sang thu mani kham khom ba hobung koi hobung ka tipon hobung zo si hin ta chu blessing in bolwa cha chu khong ki pat no hin ka kial sang o chun chapang hi hung tamin chapang hi ka kial sang o hung tam jin ka boy ki tawin nei le hi chun mundang danga kuning ki thopina kan movin tuning nunga gracie hung dingle nunga gracie ki hoke so member hin hilanga tunia ni uniform ki vano hi ECA hobung human resource development no to ki thowa NGO through achi uniform hi piu hin na ke paw men to tan chibana hi blanket khat yong student jo si ECA te ni piu hin aban le chitabang uniform khat nei kit win a uniform mo hi amo apol che thu ya quality hoya hoi he sol brook ti ato ki bang chan cho JP selection ka chakai matan ka galhan na song khol ta ka hoi a hoya hoi thi cho ka cha tiao hi a hi ti jeng ve abana north east inside hezang mi sau jang khun cho ta bang uniform khan in piu ve na abana paulin ler jong uniform khan in pikit ve abana council to je di wa uniform nu jo si kam ban mai kho mu le uniform mi to ai lia ne we cha the uniform lia ne we chi free amu na ke pau min chuta le pastor jampi simte yung ding do le ke pau min te ama hi ama trua hi NRI Tamil NRI Malaysia 53 churches so kiloi khom wa hungu wa notebook nga pen pencil eraser color picture apon ke ai chapong lo si jani le som nga chu na mu we na ke pau pio me tunia jong hi pastor tam pita ko ni jong le ama hi khan khu to lai ga si na chu igang pau hin ama hin khat vi jong hi teacher salary lo ki pi jo lo pa na hi kanin hor nge ta sang som ni hor pi kin hin na ke pau me gang to ama ni chunga jong ke pa tu se win ki patil dan wang chu tu chen ge din mun ding ai ki ta san lo hin tu ni khwa jong hi piam ita bang thung ding hai ni ki year pha lo jong le pathinin aphain ke so te wang chun ita bang gale tol jong le education chu give up do du chat education ni pi du naga gal ji in chapang janam khan education mu zo pon tu chung gala mang mi au sin education mu ding ki tai ki bol hin sikal wala chu lungsit nai piam thil dang dang hi army ho to ki thwa recreational program ho jong ki nei pi jin tu a jong hi jinga pa nai school su thi ke hi du dan hin lahi no ni spoon pia akniver recruitment di ja hi army the chun suti na ki thadu ai tai te wen ke o chun ka gial ki wen hele suti ki mol ha mo sang win annual sports mo te ka the wen na chai khu kon tar fi ka buk uwa amon langa program nei sung se chawala ho sports ka nei di o hin chi chu a hin cheo pa le chun second ka to le exam ka body hin to a ke ho ke vai pu dan hi community school ai ta pai parents ja nam khan in government school ta pai he agi LG win kon hin private ta pai city administration ni ka tolo wa quality ai thei chana ka maintain guno na quiz competition spelling bees competition ti oyong hi sports sunga hi boarding ka tiwan item ja jane boarding ka tiwin cha yung chunin support jung win lang chi chuin tin tuin ki pa thilpi neu cha cha ke solanga kunin kan bornu min president panin ke to pintin ama sapenin pu khai pau ADC chairman yung tin do pyo la ki pau min te aban le ama to kapa pau thang jong hi kisu boy jing e councilor ama ni jala hi summer vacation ke che apana chu lo hi patike cha kan pi theu he council langa kuna abanin pu se min thang hung tin do le ki pau min te abanin P Esther tu ni kwa hi council tham ha dan chu tu kuma kan he ne pa council lo ja tham ha dan chu no to kyo tong la hau so to kyo to ngai na bui dan chu mi he lo cha kana ai ta chu hau so jang mi ja nam phat ka ko hin ki ko hin tui no mo so pu hin chu lo phai so pu hin sal bu ngau so pu chi jang ho so pu na tu chunga ke so te blessing contribution bol hoi pen hau so hi acknowledge ka bol num win ai wangin atam joy hong thi pon kapalun jang chu lo phai so pu ngin tu nin jong ama hin school dingwa hi contribution lien ta ni ti hi teacher hole student honi het pi du kanomin chu lo phai ho so pung ding do le ki pau min te abanin pa pau thang ADC inspector hung ding do le ki pau min te ama jong hi ki phin jeng ma ko ma hi tu ni acknowledge ka bornum win abanin pastor Zampi Christa Baptist Church CBC PSR colleagues aloi nu amin ka hepon ama jang hing din do pyo le ki pau min te pastor Zampi loi nu กันนี่นู่จงห้องดิ่งโตเลยกี่เป้ามินเต้ฮิจันจุนตินเก็บเป้ามินตุนียหุ่งหลัดปิวนูเตียปาเตเกโซโนจาลาฮิสกุลฮีกิงฮามหินมาบ้านอาจงปังคอมจงเอาตินกิโตคอมจงเอาตินเกโซเตียนสกุลนี้กี่บอลละหุ่ยเลยจะปังฮิจัดปีจันีและสวมสิกีสวมกินฮีสกุลไกลละว่าดิวบัจจาละเนียนจอมฮัมพิมกุจาฮัมพิมขัดอาเซียบัลจะบอลเตดิวเห็นไอ้ว่างฮิจัดฮีสกุลินบอลจีว่า education นั้นมูเทียวฮีอัฐอนฮิป่วยที่ฮิอาเวลิงเกลดาวตินอากิเซบังตุเนี่ยทิลปิในวินตานิกิโกไอปนสกุลานับปันละนาวิกะเฮปิวเวตินนัตบังไอน้องกิโกไอจินน้องนับบอนสเกจุมากิปาตุกันเซนมาบ้านอาจงปังคอมจงเอาตินคูวิจงเล็กจะสร้างเงินจะปังฮีจะเสกีจะกินฮิอากัดดิ้งไอฮิ capacity ก็เกลเห็นจีบิลดิ้งจุงอันวยปะตากิมันแหละฮีจนปะเตียนปันละคอมมูตินคูวิอาดิ้งินpan lungial nei kho mutin ADC langa kunihan lang ZEO langa kunihan lang Hausa langa kunihan lang DC langa kuni jong le ke so ten thildang nang ka borna wa ta san lal na IPP na nei mei theu jong khan tin ke so community school wang purely genuine noble cause thil pha ke bol momong hi ti ni het pi win lang sports ka borna du jong khu mun ka nei lo ji win Hukon turf kabung ole 13,800 hin kewa ku nin jong upai om thebe se pon tuai ka taw le le diu hin tu nya ge so jong na gel theu jong le tham kha kha ni ga ki thu pi theu he a chaina ka sinom chi su tan te ka ke pe
pamin lal ama na ko tin chule ama hin ke cutting le vote of thanks ani nya hin kopding hin ama phat na piutia
I on behalf of the school Cookie Students Organization Community School Managing Committee would like to thank everyone, all the teachers, our contributors, our sponsors, and everyone who are gathered here today, and all of those who can't be with us here. We'd like to thank each of you for your contribution toward the KSO Community School. Izowin Headmaster Pan and Seitan, President Pan Jong, Seitan is only Tem Khat Kaga Sei Bianom in school too hin. School he izowa sei bangwacho. Takhat na ki mo opat na hin idea hi January last week ahong po na February first week ako na hi February 10 chan hilai hi wicket ball na phat ki mang che wa ki mo opat ling hin by faith ki pan na hin ta san na ki pan na hin ale school patli ti tam hoya sumi hall lium ti le sum hall na di talo bench des hoya la di ti le talo che pha na cho hobung dau se le ha ka mo thot no lai area church ho hi kamo thon ule khen khatin sangan choywin khen khatin sang soman choywin khen khatin bench nien choywin khen khatin whiteboard an choywin ita to hung ki panin ale bench su hing mong lo che pha na he koi chu school ki hala aki khat kau mam ti ka ga hol hin ale turbung langa kon ka chewin unique public school te chu kai thei talo no umuvin le a bench ho chu kan hlo phewin to ai khove ai ka continue diu hi lama ho jong khung kai de tan izowa ikitep no ho chu yai min lo be diu hin den ben si ha wa la ka hung wa diu hin ben chen dex aji chu unit public school a hi ben to dex peer som li lenga ke la umen abana hi ti chu na hung ki bol to pe in mun jo sia ki lai le le by faith la ki pan hi to ki don thon chun akim hoya ko na thil hunga hoya ko na pi pan pina hungam ti dong cho ki he di pon ala sa chun jingka khat hi school ki hon di kun choi tan phone hungin ka pick up le pastor jam pi he hin lal na school bol wa chu chapang hoi pi poi modem man ti la kan no ai scale pi notebook ma zo se nei lo he ka ti le in nga win ka hung di vet la pung som la ni chan ka nga le ka phone le ka hung ki san ka ki china zep mi vetin pung ni ma khai lai na hung lu nin le ta san chang a to file la he complete set instrument zo si kim color hian lang color jong a zat dan chu eraser pencil jong atam thei pen jong na abale instrument box ti diam pouch pencil pouch jong bol kim sel na hungin abana kilung kham kinin oza loading jong he kilung khamin che phat chun thani thum di chu oza ho hi alo hi ala kit na mu ji ti to bang hin thakat dan chu June lo bang chu July tha top langa mu ti to bangai ta he anaki chi to wa hin ei wangin angai lu tamin chiji chun tu chan hin school hi aki chi la jingin tunia ahung lo ho jong laya dinga contribute hin ho bol ho zo si chunga jong ki pa thu ki sein abana school hi akbola ki bola le government langa ko na hi pen number hoi pi ho hong poi mo ji hin council school ma khat to taya pa ki bolen a bon wa hi langa kai wang wa hi Khiengjang school a kai da na hi win Khiengjang JB school to asang lang si class 6 la ho hi seilal junior ha class ena Khiengjang seilal la ho kai hi win na seilal venga ho hita to ki bola hin a boilo na te diu na ki bolin a seilal veng school headmaster hin tin Khiengjang head mistress nu hi jong la mani jong pan na sa ta la o hin amani jong hi jong leo amani chunga jong ki pa thui ga se hin tin council lang a hin JDO lang a hin oza lo hin lang uniform ho le khabu ho jong langa chu source na ki bol hin ma ho chunga jong ki pa thu ki sein aban le house ai zat ham khat hin thasia to chu lo phai house pu hin aban le salbung house pu chi jang house pu ma ho hin oza langa tong ho khat hi sponsor pi o hin thakhat na thasi le hin ama ho chunga jong ki pa thu velina ki sein aban le teacher a hoi ta le kha thiam ta mel hoi ta nunga gol hang tam ta laya oza ai pan pi ho hi a phat in jong lo ki zo pon aban a lo jong ti khamei pon honorarium to banga ki pi hin ki pa mana them kha khat ki pi ji hin ama ho pan la dan jong a ki ven le ki pa umin tu ni teachers day hi to ki honin ama ho zo si chunga jong ki pa thu ve lai ga se hin tin program lo hin na dinga hong kal sung zo si aban le tuni program a dinga contribute hin bola aban le arrangement ai pan piwa zo si chunga jong ki pa thu avelin KSO le school managing committee min ki pa thu kan sei teachers day hi ji chun lungyal thei ta in kek jong ain gong win KSO langa konin teachers zo si hung win lang kha ve hitin rauna na hongum diu headmaster pan headmaster pan birthday la sa dem teachers day la sa dem ban le hin kat in tin staff o khat in hin ni sa le phante
ta ehin sei pi ovin chule pa chat dialom ki pa pi dialom zo sia hin ki pa pi ta in tu hin program a chaina langa hung lo no to kelonin mina ama ana ko te ta ki hen na taw na mangdingin
hepan anung sina ka changvin na cha te na mani om pi vin tuni phan hin KSO community school la teachers day celebration kan mang khomovin hichin khuwa hin nangma om pinawangin sa samle geu chai jong lew hitin ken ki thu khom vin nei le tu ni phanin jong phat China ong hitan tu ni khwa hokiman cha naw izakai ho josi kamasangin khwa jong hasana tampi kan tu ni khu ting jong le naman nei ki lom piwa na lagaw chenga na man nei pi div jong ka taw ni hi tunu khan di Kevin chule refreshment jong ken gungwin hi cho jo si ho jong hi nang ma khon ai vop ma hi cho jo si digin pakai Jesu mena ka taw vin hi amen.